Okay, I'll go get the vanilla, dude. That's not that big of a deal. You act like it's the end of the world. Okay, you gotta just relax a little. Dad! Oh my God! Stop! Yeah! Why are you doing this?
I told you!
Stop!
Got to have the vanilla!
Stop! Okay, what do you want to do? You want me to call the cops?
I will bring you, you go ahead, dude.
I will call the cops! You bring one more plate!
Do it!
Charles, I need you to do something about this.
Man, I'm staying out of it, man. This is messed up.
Anyway, you take the vanilla. You put it inside. Pour it. I like vanilla. I like using vanilla. And when this thing cooks, you're gonna love it.
You don't even care!
You wanna wear this pot?
Destroyed.
You destroyed the kitchen! You don't care about nothing!
You're about to get it. You better back off. Back off.
For what? Look at you done it for!
Back off! Are we out of the pie business today?
We're already at the pie business! You broke the plates! You ruined the stuff! I'm sick of this! Come on, stop! Jesus Christ. What? Throw the pie and I'm gonna call the police! I'm out! I'm out of here now! I'm sick of it! Don't you do anything stupid! I swear to God I'll call the cops!
Call
Dad, I swear to God, stop! Charles, help!
I dare you. I dare you. You better back your ass off.
I don't get it.
Get that.
Oh.
You want some?
Come on, dude, just come home. Come with me.
Man,
Stop!
get out of here! Get out of my house.
Damn it.
Now I ain't got no fucking pie with Thanksgiving.
You good?
We gotta repaint all this house. We're gonna fucking.
You're just bitter and ridiculous. Enjoy cleaning up your plates.